How to effectively manage cash flow when it comes to running your Shopify dropshipping store. So when someone places an order on your website, the total amount the customer has paid will appear on Shopify immediately, but the Shopify payment processor will typically take around 2 working days for the money to actually arrive in your account, after around a 2% payment fee has been deducted. And most likely any sales made on Thursday or Friday won't arrive until Monday. For this reason, it's important to have a certain amount of spare cash in order to fund your ads and pay your suppliers each day, so they can continually send your orders without waiting for the Shopify money to come through. So if you're planning on scaling, don't scale faster than your cash flow allows you to, as if you do this, you'll run out of money to pay for your ads and cover your product cost, which will cause your business to become frozen before the funds from the sales arrive in your account, leading to slower dispatch times and an inability to cover your ad costs. In summary, work out how much spare cash you'll need in relation to your ad budget and expected product cost based on anticipated sales, and slowly scale upwards as your cash flow allows you to, as there's no need to rush things here. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like the post, follow my page, check out my YouTube channel where there's a link in my bio. Here is where I post more in-depth videos about dropshipping weekly. My latest video is now live, where I show you guys how to process multiple orders in just a few clicks on AliExpress. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys soon.